Hello everybody, this is Kevin with Inspiring How You See That. We're the inspirational channel that goes behind the scenes, interviews some of your favorite artists, entertainers, and much more. So today we're back with another Tech Tuesday, and we're talking about OBS again here, and we had another question about implementing in extra green screens or backdrops or overlays. And today we're going to be talking about a couple different overlays and give you a couple tip advices, quick ones. So if there is something you're looking for, just make sure to put it in the comments below, and we'll try to create some additional videos in regards to those questions. But each question we have, we try to put it in a short video in regards to like the background editing here. As you see, this is a green screen effect with the minions behind it. And you can actually take and put in and apply filters and transformation filters. So if you ever wanted to, you can actually just shrink these down too. So if you wanted to put them in a screen somewhere or up in a corner, but you can make them larger or smaller. But once you get this all chroma keyed out with your filter, these you can just move around. So then if you wanted to put another display capture or a video playing with these, and the minions will actually overlay on top of the OBS. So that's some of the overlaying features. So if you want to even have like yourself, like we are here with yourself recording in the right screen and or top corner screen, you're doing some gaming, maybe you want some minions here. These are actually just picture minions. Now in another segment, we'll talk about the video implementation of maybe minions moving around. And we'll talk about how to do that. But this is just for the picture. If you just wanted the little picture on the corner, or if you wanted to add like a little logo, just make sure if you have your logo, have a green screen back in it, and then apply that filter for that green screen, and you can overlay those. So we hope this helps in regards to the OBS question we had about overlays with a picture or logo. Next one we'll talk about, we'll have the a video playing, maybe the minions running around or something like that, and we'll show you that in the next one.